channel Kids Fun Magic World. Today our topic is essay on contribution of Tarun Rampukan to Assamese literature in English. Introduction. Assamese literature, renowned for its rich cultural heritage and linguistic diversity, owes much to the contribution of Tarun Rampukan, a prominent figure whose literary works have left an incredible mark. His writing not only reflect the ethos of Assamese society but also delve deep into its socio-cultural fabric. Early life and background. Tarun Rampukan was born on June 15, 1950 in Guwahati, Assam. His upbringing in a culturally vibrant environment deeply influenced his later literary endeavors. Growing up amidst Assamese tradition, language, and folklore, he developed a profound understanding and appreciation for his native culture. Literary career and major work. First, exploration of Assamese culture. Pukan's literary journey began with a keen exploration of Assamese culture. His early work vividly depicts rural life, tradition, and the struggle of the common folk. Through his writing, he portrayed the essence of Assamese society with sensitivity and authenticity. Second, contribution to Assamese poetry. Pukan's poetry stands out for its lyrical beauty and emotional depth. His poems often revolve around themes of nature, love, and spirituality, resonating with readers on the profound level. Social commentary and reform. Tarun Rampukan used his pen to address social issues and advocate for reform. His essays and articles critically analyze societal norms, inequalities, and the need for cultural preservation. He played a pivotal role in fostering intellectual discourage and promoting progressive ideas through his writing. Impact on Assamese literature. First, preservation of folklore and tradition. Pukan's dedication to preserving Assamese folklore and oral tradition is noteworthy. His work often incorporates folk tales, myths, and legends, ensuring that these cultural treasures are passed down through generations. This contribution has been instrumental in safeguarding Assam's cultural identity. Second, influence on contemporary writers. Pukan's literary legacy continues to inspire contemporary Assamese writers. His stylistic innovations and thematic breadth have set benchmark in Assamese literature, encouraging writers to explore new narratives and genres. His work remains relevant and influential, shaping the literary landscape of Assam. Recognition and awards. Throughout his career, Tarun Rampukan received several accolades and awards for his contribution to literature. These honors not only acknowledge his literary achievement but also highlights his significant impact on Assamese cultural heritage. Conclusion. In conclusion, Tarun Rampukan's contribution to Assamese literature are multifaceted and enduring. As a poet, writer, and cultural custodian, he has enriched the literary fabric of Assam with his insightful reflections on life, society, and tradition. His legacy serves as a beacon for future generations of Assamese writers, emphasizing the importance of cultural pride and creative expression in literature. Thank you.